Alright, so this is a seedling. This is about a 7-week-old seedling. This is Trinitario, which is one of the one of the better known varieties, right? So you have Forastero, Criollo, and Trinitario. And Trinitario is a cross between a Forastero and a Criollo. So there you go. This is a seedling variety. So right there in front of you is the seedling, and then behind it you can see the one that we had grafted, and I explained how that worked. And then over here, this one I'll bring back into the picture. This one is the variety that comes from one of my trees called number 3. Number 3 is one of the trees that I grew from a seedling and is very productive. It does very well here in my yard. And again, I touched upon the grafting. And just to summarize, grafting will give you a tree that's fused onto a seedling. And what you have above the area where it's grafted is a tree that is a clone of the plant that you took, the scion being the wood that you took, that you attached the two together. And on the right there again is the seedling tree, which will have probably a 3-year wait if you're lucky to produce your pods. And behind it is another grafted tree that you can see is about 1 year and 6 months, and it's loaded with flowers. Now, to be fair, it's going to need a little bit more wood, a little bit more growth, so that it can hold on to the pods, because that's a small branch there. But you know what? It's thick enough that it could actually hold on to a pod, and it may hold on to a pod, and that'd be exciting if I can get that, because I'll show you guys that if that happens. All right, everyone, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you check us out at pepesplants.com. We do have some grafted cacao on the way. We also have some other things we're working on, and we'll bring you some more updates as soon as we can. Take care. Good day.